Hello, my name is William Bendek. I am industrial engineering student. In foreign states is vital in my field and allows used to analysis large decisions and making informed decisions. It helps predict production efficiency, analysis, quantity control, and optimize supply chains. This is essential for solving real-world problems and improving industrial operation. In decision-making, it enabled us to test hypotheses and identify strengths, leading to effective strategies that enhance productivity and reduce costs. By using statistical models, we make accurate prediction for best outcomes. In conclusion, inferential statistics is indispensable for data analysis, informed decision, and continuous improvement in industrial engineering. Thank you.